Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this beautiful paper bookmark with this paper flower. It's quite easy to create this paper bookmark. I thought of creating this bookmark for Mother's Day that is coming in 1 week. But you can use this bookmark or this paper decoration for other things. You can create many of these bookmark and put them in a vase or around your home as a decoration. Okay, let's get started to create this paper bookmark. We will need the template. I will put this template on my blog, and the link to the blog page with the template, you will find it below the video. Okay, we will need the template, a piece of paper, and then we will put our template on the piece of paper and we will cut around in order to have our paper flower. We will need 2 pieces, and then we will cut the first one and then the second one in this way. You will need to cut around your template, or if you prefer, you can with a pencil you can draw your template and then cut around the flower. Okay, it's our first part of the flower, and then we will cut the second one in the same way. Okay, voila. We will round a little here. Okay, and then we will cut the second one. Okay, here we have our 2 flower, and then now we will need, with a brush, we will round the petals in this way. Okay, in order to give a sort of dimension to the flower. The same for the other part. And then with the vinyl glue we will glue together the 2 pieces. Okay, voila, here our flower that is taking form. Now we will need to create our leaf. I will use this piece of green paper, and then because if you are following my videos, you know now that I love the nail polish, and then I used some nail polish to glitter my leaf, as I did here. Okay, now we will need to create our leaf. You will create something in this way. Okay, and then we will glue here also to give dimension, and then we will glue the leaf on the back of the flower with some vinyl glue or tacky glue. Okay, now we will need to glue our flower to our wooden stick. Okay, here in this way. Okay, voila, perfect. Okay, now we will need to create the center of the flower. For the center I will use some glitter paper in silver. In this case I will use my circle punch. We will need 2 circles. If you don't have the circle punch, you can use anything that is rounded. Maybe you can use also the nail polish bottle. Okay, you will create your circle with a pencil and then you will cut around. Okay, now in order to give dimension to the center, we will use 2 little dimension stick glue, and this way, super easy, you will glue them, peel off this part. Okay, and then we will glue the second part. Voila, here our finished flower. I think they are quite nice. Okay, they are so nice. They are a great decoration for home and as a bookmark. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye!